Welcome. The purpose of this video is to give you some help using pico, which is the Unix version of Notepad. The purpose of the video is to explain what the editor does, and is typically used to create what we call text files. These are not Word documents, but files that only contain text characters, such as source programs for a computer. We will go over starting an editing session. So let's begin. We can start pico just by typing pico, and what you have is called a workspace, and this is like a typing area. When I first enter pico, I can just start typing. This is a good day. If I want to, I can save what I have. And the way that I save, you need to get used to looking at the bottom of the screen, because that's a help menu. And it says to exit, this little caret means control. So if I say control and X, I can exit. It says, do I want to save what I did? In this case, we say yes. What name do we want to use? Let's just say first. All right. At this point, we have started an editing session and exited an edit session. We've also typed some lines. Let's go back into the same document and move around in the file. So let's do it again. Let's say pico. This time we know the name of the file is first. Let's do something that's magic. Let's go ahead and duplicate the lines we have, and I will show you how to do that. I can cut and paste. How do I cut text? If you go down here, you see if I do Control K. If I want to paste what I cut, I uncut. So I can say uncut, 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 uncut. So I've essentially duplicated lines. Now let's move around in the file. You always have the option of using the arrow keys, but you also have other ways of moving around. And as you might imagine, those ways are found if you go to the Get Help. So if I hit Control G, what do I see? I can move forward, I can move backwards, I can move up a line, down a line, I can move to the beginning of a line or to the end of a line. Forward is F, backward is B, previous line is P, next line is N. The beginning of the line is alpha, as in A. The end of the line is E. So let's exit the help and try some of these commands. So we're going to exit the help, and now let's go up. What do we type? Control P. Up, 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 up. If I want to go up one more time, go down, I say next. Oops, Control next. If I want to go to the end of the line, I do what? E, end. If I want to go to the beginning of the line, how do I do it? Alpha. Okay? At this point, we're going to save and make another short video so as not to make this too long. Now, if we want to save this, what do? We exit. How do we exit? X, as in exit. Do we want to save what we did? Yes. Do we want to use the same file name? Yes. And with that, we will end the first video.